Oh, a drizzle of that over there. Oh, there we go. On with the burger top. Oh, oh, oh. Hi, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make a cheeseburger. I just fancied a cheeseburger for dinner today, so that's what it's going to be. So easy to make. Now, we're not going to mix up all the patty. I've got a couple of beef patties already, the quarter pounders from the supermarket, and they look pretty good. Now, whether they are, I've no idea, but we're going to put this together and we're going to make a cheeseburger. So all we need to do is a little bit of seasoning on these burgers. Now, we're not going to go too crazy. A bit of salt, bit of pepper, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, that's it. So let's do it. So we got the old Liam Perrins Worcestershire sauce. We want a little bit of that on there. A little bit of salt. Just some black pepper on there. And that is it really. We don't need anything else. So we'll flip these over and we'll do the other side. So a little bit of the same on this side, a little bit of Worcester sauce. Now we don't want much, we just want to put that little bit of a flavour on there. A little bit of salt. And some black pepper. Now the pepper and the salt make the burger. You should always salt and pepper beef. That's it. All we're going to do is we're going to shove that in the air fryer. Air fryer basket. A bit of the old squirty oil. And we're going to bob those burgers straight in the bottom. So grab your burger and put it in there. Just like that. And then all we're going to do is whack that back in there. So get that in there. And we're going to do 200 for 5 minutes. And then we're going to flip it over and do it for another 3 minutes. So up we go. So we'll just make up a very quick burger sauce. So we got a little bit of mayo in there. And we want a little bit of hot mustard. I won't go 2 bananas. So we're going to put that in there with that mayo. And we're going to stir it all in. And that is a mustard mayo sauce, which we're going to put on there. And we'll just tip on some barbecue bottle sauce. We're making a very quick cheeseburger with no messing around. Bing! 5 minutes. Oh, I told you this is a quick one. Oh, look in there. Now they look okay. We need to flip them over. Okay, so let's flip these burgers over. Oh, they look tremendous. Now what we want to be doing now, we want to actually be putting our onions on our burger. They're not going to do much, so we'll get those on there. Let them wilt down on there a little bit. That's a great job. All we need to do now is bang it back in for 3 minutes. Okay. Oh, there we have nicely cooked burgers, and our onions have really started to wilt down. What we're going to do now is put the cheese on and put it back in for a minute. Now what I'm using cheddar. I've got this cheddar, so we're going to put cheddar on, and we're also going to put some plastic cheese on. And then I've got some of this plastic cheese. Now it doesn't melt very well, but it'll stick over the top of the burger and the melted cheddar will run out from underneath. That's the theory. That's one piece of plastic cheese. Oh, get that on there. And that's it. Simple as that. Back in again, 1 minute. Boom. Job done. Minute's time. We'll take them out, let them rest while we build up the burger. Boom. Job done. Let's have them out of there. Oh, look in there. What we need to do is take those out of there and let them rest. Oh, look at that. See that one out of there? Whoa. Right, what we're going to do, we're just going to freshen up our bread, okay? Take your bread bun, straight in the air fryer. And then back in the air fryer, just for a minute. Boom! Job done. So all we need to do is take our bread out of there. What we need to do is get some of that mustard mayo on the bottom there. Get some of that on there, a good dollop. Let's have it round. Oh, awesome. Oh, let's build up these flavors. Now, I don't like tomato in my burger. I hate it. I think it's a waste of time. Right. Lettuce. It's a romaine lettuce, actually. So we want a couple of lettuce leaves going on in there. And then on with our cheeseburger. Oh. Just look at that. That is it. There's nothing fancy on my burgers. And then all we're doing, store-bought barbecue sauce. Oh, a drizzle of that over there. Oh, there we go. Just look at that. On with the burger top. Oh. Now that looks absolutely phenomenal. Oh. Cut through there. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Juicy, soft. Let's give it a go. Oh, amazing. Oh, that is absolutely amazing. That is a very juicy burger, and that flavour of that cheese, but the mustard and mayo as just a basic sauce with that barbecue sauce. Perfect cheeseburger. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.